bring it down, please, I beg. So tired. I'm done finally. Those days that you wake up and tell yourself, I'm not going to do anything today, guys, those days are the days you will walk and walk and walk non-stop. Can anybody relate? I love you. Bye. Ah. So this was me after dropping the kids off in their school bus. I'm back in the kitchen, tidying and cleaning after myself. I usually will do my dishes at night, but the night before I was so tired. I went out. I had a lot to do that day, so I kind of like had few dishes lying around in the sink. And again, I prepared lunch for my kids. That is what they will take to school, what they will eat in school. So I needed to just tidy the plates like immediately. As a mom of two, I am not even going to lie. I am more productive when I am alone. I know every mother can relate. What I usually will do in 1 hour with the kids around, I end up doing that thing in, let's say, give or take 15 minutes when I'm alone. It is funny how we miss our children, we miss our kids the moment they are out of our sight. But as soon as they come back home or they come back to us, we are anxiously waiting for the next day for them to go out again. Guys, motherhood. So here I am, still doing my dishes, rinsing my dishes, and at the same time drying them in this bowl here, because I need the water to like drop from the plates before keeping them in the right position or their rightful place. So I am done doing the dishes. I mopped the floor because I spilled water on the floor, and I'm just cleaning, like using this cloth to clean the countertop, my gas cooker, my freezer. Just make sure everywhere is clean before sweeping the kitchen. This is exactly how I like seeing my kitchen. Everywhere is clean. It's time to move to the dining area and the living room. I have someone that comes to my house 3 times a week to do like deep cleaning, sweep, mop, do the laundry and other things. But I usually will do this kind of cleaning here and there on days she's not coming, just to keep the place tidy. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I had plans of recording my whole morning, or should I say my whole day, but unfortunately I forgot. I woke up and the first thing I did was to go straight to the kitchen to start preparing what my kids will take to school and what they will have for breakfast. I totally forgot that I wanted to start vlogging from the moment I came down from the bed. Yeah, so pardon me. I was able to capture when my kids left for school, and today I have plans of bringing down my Christmas tree.
What?
I know. It is almost middle of February and my Christmas tree is still standing. This guy over here, it is still standing. So the plan this morning is to bring it down. Please, I beg, let me not keep it till December again. Let me just bring it down this morning, okay? And if this is your first time seeing my face, thank you for subscribing, guys. My last video, my last video, like, it gave me so much joy. I got a lot of subscribers. My video was let's say it did well. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking on that subscribe button. And if this is your first time seeing me and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, turn on your bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and let's see how my day goes. Let's see. Yeah, so guys, did I mention that we are monetized? Yes guys, we are monetized. Finally, Yossi's Corner is monetized. In less than 4 months of starting a YouTube channel, I am monetized, and honestly guys, words cannot express how grateful I am to each and every one of you. And the amazing thing is, I am almost at 2,000 subscribers. Almost sometimes it feels so surreal. I am so grateful. I love you guys, each and every one of you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for always coming back to support your baby girl. Una oh no go spoil. Una oh no go spoil. And again, please guys, anytime you see an ad coming up, like an advert, kindly support me by watching that advert to the end. No skipping allowed here, okay? No skipping allowed here. Thank you. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm done. Finally, I'm done. After another round of cleaning that place, I packed the Christmas tree. It was already noon. I had to go get something to eat. I was hungry at this point. I was practically shaking, and I had to microwave some leftover rice and beans with stew. After eating that food, the next thing was to rest. I had to rest for a bit. I wanted to edit some videos, but I couldn't. I was so tired. My kids were back home already by this time, and I was in the kitchen preparing dinner. For this night, we're going to be having tuwo, the miyan kuka. How many onions? Return that one. My kids always love to be around me in the kitchen. Like sometimes it becomes so chaotic. They are always like competing. Who wants to bring this first for mommy? Who wants to help? And I love it because sometimes like they become very helpful. I'm not even going to lie. And I like it for my baby girl. She's just 3, learning new words and being able to identify some ingredients. So while that was cooking in the kitchen, I decided it was time for assignments. I had to like give them their books, their writing materials to do their homework, of course with my supervision. What letter is this? Okay, write letter here.
Oh, I'll write B.
Yeah, write again, let's see. No, mama.
Okay.
Write B here.
P.
B.
Orange flag. P. 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 P.
Good girl. Write B.
This like this. Insects are small animals that dash in through the tiny holes in the body.
So what is the answer?
Breathe.
Breathe. Good job.
Alright, B.
So we were done with the home fun, that is the homework with the kids, and it was time to face my cooking. At this point, I was already, let's say, 80% done. with my food. Guys, this soup will be in a different video, like the recipe will be in a different video, so stay tuned. Food is ready. Come and join us. Come and join me and my baby. You can tell that my baby really enjoyed this food. I equally enjoyed it. It was absolutely delicious. This was late at night. I remember that I needed to juice some fruits. I bought these fruits some days back and it was just sitting down around, and I needed to juice it because I wanted my babies to take this fresh juice to school the next morning. And you won't believe I was making puff puff at around 10 in the night. I hope you all enjoyed spending the day with me. Guys, it was not easy filming this vlog. It was not easy. Please, the only thing I need from you is give this video a thumbs up, like this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your bell notification so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. So I officially left the kitchen at around 11 p.m. As usual, I too love una. Una own no go spoil. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.